Like when you came back, what did you ask me about it?
Um, are you dehydrated?
Am I dehydrated?
Yes.
What is dehydration?
Like if the water in your system is
It's what?
it's something like that. I don't
It's what?
remember.
Increase or reduce?
Reduce.
Mm-hmm. So you're asking me. What about you? You said your tummy and you're having diarrhea, right?
Mm.
And I sent you to go and buy this, and you came back and you're rather asking me. It means that you yourself you are not sick. Okay, you don't worry. You are dehydrated, right? Why are you making your face like that? That's why we're going to buy bottled water. We're going to get ORS. You have to cure your disease. You have to replace the fluid that you are losing. Do you understand? So we don't have to wait for your dehydration to be complete. So once you are losing the fluid, we are doing
Mommy,
what? Yes.
but how will you pour it inside if the
It's
water
it's
is
it's
full?
it's here. It's here. See.
The water is
You
full.
wait. Read the instructions. We'll use it.
Use ex,
Number
ex
one.
number one. Use exactly 600 ml of water for
Okay.
one sachet of hydrolyte.
And then what? How do you mix it? Continue. Let
Put
me add.
wait. Put 600 ml of clean water into a clean mug or contain one. Put
Start.
600 ml of clean water into a clean mug or container.
Uh-huh.
2. Open one sachet of hydrate
So you
and
open it and then.
empty its contents into the water.
Mm-hmm.
Stir well to dissolve the hydrate completely till you get a clear solution.
Then you do what?
Give hydrolyte drink with a spoon or in a cup after each loose two.
Okay. After
If
each lose two, right?
yes,
Okay. So let's.
if if a child if a child is still on breast milk, keep breastfeeding.
Okay.
6. Also continue feeding the child normally.
Normally.
Yes, normally.
Normally or what?
Normally.
Okay. So they said we should add in, but this one is 500 ml. So I will not pour, or I'll leave a little because I don't have 600 ml bottle. Why?
My name is Kwame.
Elijah, you're going to drink all this.
Yeah?
When it's finished, you anytime you pass the loose tool, you get this. Your mommy is a nurse. Anytime you are sick, you drink medicine.
Mommy, is it like normal water if you drink it?
This one is just salt and sugar
Yeah.
mixed together. So I've
Mm.
left a little because
But
it's not
mommy,
as.
can't we do it in the house?
You can do ORS in the house too. Like let's say in the night you start having running stomach. Eh? And then there's no ORS like this. You can take there's a quantity. You can take I think a little salt, then you add sugar. There are quantities, there are measurements. Mommy, the whole bottle is for you. Elijah, take it. Start. Or I should open it for you.
Okay.
Drink it and let me know how it is. You have to drink plenty, or not small, so that it can stop the diarrhea. If you drink up to here. Kwame, see, everybody's watching you.
Okay.
Drink it plenty. This one is good for your body. You see that it's nice. Drink it. Hey, drink it. It's nice. It's nice. Well done. By the time it's 3 o'clock, you won't have diarrhea again. Continue.
Mommy here.
No, no, no. Up to the third line. Drink it.
Ah, my.
Good girl. Good, good, good. So you continue drinking it small, small, small. Thank you for watching. ORS. For is it nice? Hey,
Nice.
you have to take it.